Alright, good video, man.
Good job.
See you in the morning.
Same.
Oh my god! Oh! Matthew, wake up!
What?
Wake up, Matthew! Wake up! Wake up! Oh! We've been asleep for 3 weeks! What does that mean? We need to post to YouTube! Oh my god! I know!
It doesn't make sense. Our watch time's the same, our views, everything. Our subscribers.
Views are as crappy as ever, I see.
What happened? Why are we panicking?
No reason whatsoever.
Let's make another video.
Okay.
What the hell? Who's here at this time?
Huh? What the hell is this?
Yeah, we got some package here for us. Here, look. Oh, damn.
Look at this.
To Two Fags Media. Wow, that's clever.
Hate mail.
You want to do an unboxing video?
I really don't want to do an no.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
How's it going, guys? I'm Miguel.
I'm Matthew.
And we're here with our first very special unboxing video.
We hope you enjoy.
Now I want to apologize. For our lack of content these past 3 weeks. We've been very busy.
Very busy.
We've been working on bringing you more content, more videos.
Yeah. So we got a box from Amazon. It says Two Fag Media. I think that's a typo.
No one in their right mind would call us fags.
Let's get this box open and see what's inside.
Jesus Christ.
I'll get it. Don't worry.
He'll get it, guys. Don't you worry.
I think I got it. Is it stuck?
Don't worry, guys. The package will be opened.
Okay.
It is opened. Wow. Very cool.
Look, they sent us a puppet. Wow.
Wait, a puppet?
Yeah.
Why do you have this thing? Get that out of here. Well, there's a letter inside. You want to read it? I do, because you can't read, you moron. Okay, sit down. I'm going to read it. 8/24/17.
That's yesterday.
That's yesterday! Did that mean that the package was sitting there since yesterday?
No.
Oh. Well, then how would he have gotten it here if it's... He must have fully shipped it before.
Just read the letter.
Okay! Where are you going?
I'll be back.
He'll be back, guys. He'll be back. Miguel and Matthew. It's fan mail. Get a lot of that.
You know.
LMFAO. even is your channel? He must think it's great, like the
Yeah,
best
it's
thing,
the
you know?
best, Yeah.
The fuck. Oh, I'm sorry. The fuck you even doing copying H3 with the god of cringe vid foe?
And I think that means fuck out of here.
No, I think he just doesn't know how to spell.
Oh.
Like, yeah, mad irrelevant, and don't even get views on that shit like Ethan Boy. Rufus the naked mole rat looking ass Matthew. Discount iDubbbz in the face ass. Wow. Miguel, don't even get me started on you, nutty professor, thinking you're the nostalgia critic or something. Get the fuck out of her with your big-headed ass. Y'all got what, 90 subs. Can't even crack 100. Where them numbers at though? Can't even register a custom URL cause y'all ain't got shit. Just delete your channel. Nobody asked. Nobody asked for your derivative booty ass content. Nobody asked for your derivative booty ass content. Unsubscribe from Reginald. P.S. I don't want this. It's mad trash like your content. LMAO. Oh.
Is he talking about the puppet?
I'm guessing he's talking about the puppet.
You know what you have to do, right?
No?
You have to delete our YouTube channel.
Really?
See you never, guys. Matthew Miguel out.